Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So since the mail lady is really playing with my BoxyCharm, this is supposed to be getting delivered today, and it's still not here, and it's 5 o'clock. Instead, I figured I would film with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, and already did a look with this palette, filmed it, and my microphone was not on. We don't have that problem anymore, so let's get into today's look. Alright, so I have you guys zoomed in, and as I said in the intro, I've already done a look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills new palette. This is the Riviera palette, but I filmed my thoughts and the intro with no sound, so I'm just going to go ahead and redo the video. I'm going to do a different look because Bay is taking me out to eat. I have a lot going on right now. We did have a death in our family, and I have a funeral to go to tomorrow, so she's trying to get me in a good mood, good spirits, positive vibes. Not to mention, it's been a while since we got out to do something. If you guys have been following me for a while, or you follow our other channel, which is Shena's Life, then you guys know that I was sick AF for my birthday and didn't get to do anything, so that is why she's taking me out to dinner today. So the shade I'm going into is this peachy shade. It's called Coastline, and since I've used this palette before, I already know how the shadows blend, but I am taking this into the crease and I'm just going to keep it in the crease. I was going to say onto the lid, but I'll just focus this in the crease area. And if you guys are wondering, I applied that shadow with my M433 brush. Is my Morphe brush. And now I'm going to go in with my Sephora round crease brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Cabana, which is this like mustardy kind of yellow shade. And we're going to focus that on the lid. We're going to focus that on the inner part of the crease and blending into Coastline a bit. Alright, so now that we have that blended in, we're going to go into Inheritance, which is this pretty golden yellow shade. And I'm just going to spritz a flat eyeshadow brush with a little bit of this ultra hydrating mist. It's like a facial mist primer. Small Morphe shader or blending brush. This is the M506, and we're going into Palm, which is a dark brown shade, and we're only focusing that on this outer portion up into the crease just to deepen it up a bit. I'm going to go off camera to finish up my eyes, put my lashes on, and I want to show you guys the final look. So I'll be back in a second. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I'm going to go ahead and insert the outro part of the video where I was talking about this palette and my thoughts on this palette, so you guys can also see that look, since the first part of the video had no sound. But anyways, you guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're not missing out on any more videos here on my channel. And don't forget to check out the second channel, Shena's Life, where Nay and I do all kinds of stuff, vlogs, pranks, challenges, you name it. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Guys, so as you can see, you know, the earth, my microphone, I don't know, whomever did not want me to get this video up because clearly there was still no audio, but nothing my voiceover cannot fix. Anyways, I just want to let you guys know that this was the original look that I did with the Anastasia Riviera palette, and I love this look just as well as I love the look that you guys previously watched. Anyways, you guys, my thoughts on this palette is I think it's really pretty. I'm so glad that Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with a palette with some color, and they have really been listening to us when we say, please make a colorful palette. The only thing, though, is that this palette, I feel like, could have used a matte black. That's just me. I feel like you always need a matte black in your palette. Also, you guys, it is colorful, but can we get a little bit more color? Like, can we get something electric? As you guys can see here, I'm talking about some brushes that I use. They're my AOA Studio brushes from Shop Miss A. They were $10, and they're very affordable, so if you've never checked out that site, check it out. But anyways, you guys, all in all, I give this palette a 10. You guys know I love Anastasia palettes. They just are really good shadows. They blend out amazing. So that is it on my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy both looks. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Y'all know what to do. Don't forget to put a smile on your face. It is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
And don't forget to check out the Jesus Christ, Jesus, oh Lord Almighty, what is happening? I don't even know where to start. So anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit your bell notification so you're not missing out on any videos here with me. And don't forget to
Don't forget to subscribe, y'all.
No, that's not what I'm trying to say.